Welcome to special edition on education. As many students have fallen behind in education, parents need to give us the support we need to catch up the expected learning target. As families are central to education that provides input to a child's learning, we have to recover our education. First, parents will use their experience to help us become better by starting a 12-week program of 30 minutes a day home learning. This will help students make the kind of progress that will be expected from normal schooling. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.